The biggest reason you want to hone your intuition is this is a survival skill that has been with us throughout all of human history. However, unlike 1,000 years ago or when it was prioritized, almost no one teaches you how to tap into your intuition, how to listen to your intuition. But in this day and age, with the advancements and all of the technology and everything changing so quickly, you need an anchor that you can rely on. You need guidance that you can rely on. And sure, you can book a one-to-one session with me. And I need you to also trust your own intuition. Whether or not you ever work with me, you trusting your own intuition is the key. That is your anchor. That is your bedrock. Now, you can also believe in a higher deity, God, creator, all of that. And the way I see how it all fits together is your intuition is the direct channel that you connect to your higher self, where you get the information that is connected to the infinite intelligence, unity, the universe, God. And it gives you your specific information and guidance that you need for right now in your life. When I meet with someone in session, I'm giving them this information. I'm giving them the information that I tune into for them. And if they are also in the habit of tuning into their intuition, it's like both of us are amplifying this, and it makes it even more clear and powerful and expansive for you. Now, I'm going to make another video that you can connect to about what are some easy ways to start developing and tapping into your intuition right now, today. Because even though I've been doing it for years, you can start doing it in as little as 1 to 3 minutes a day.